Hey YouTube, how in the fuck are you guys doing today? So today, I got a little Mac snap-on tool haul for you guys. I'm gonna combine them both because I really didn't buy very much. You know, really don't need very much. Still waiting on that goddamn service truck. She is lost in the coronavirus, fellas. Nobody knows where in the fuck it's at. Jesus Christ. Put a goddamn deposit on something and nobody can tell you where it is. I don't know what's going on, so fuck it. We don't need, I guess we're gonna wait on a thing. It might be October, it might be 2021, it might be 2025. I don't know where it is. Couldn't tell you. Hasn't hit the place. So anyway, I got a little stuff from Mac and Snap-on. So we'll do the Mac stuff first. The first thing I bought was retractable test leads. Now why I bought this 7-piece kit is because with my, I got a Snap-on kit over there, and I wanted them because they could plug stuff in, and I can use this to power up stuff. With a little Milwaukee battery or whatever, 12 amp hour battery, I can power stuff up, and that's what I wanted these for, just to, you know, do some testing and all that stuff. The next thing I bought was flush cuts. Yeah, I know I'm addicted to flush cut pliers, fellas. I got a small one and a big one. He had this set on the truck. It was like a combo set. You know, I can't resist, fellas. I can't resist. Once I hear combo set, yeah, put that shit on order. Luckily, he already had it, you know. Or put that shit in the pile. So we got that. The next thing I wanted was some Mac. I wanted some of these to carry around. I like these impact driver sets. Now, what I will tell you is that I like these Mac winches because they're color-coded and all that stuff. This kit wasn't very much money. Really, what I want them to come out with is RTV bits, okay, that are like this, okay? You know, that you could put in an impact driver, because I feel like people in like the regular construction industry, all those fucking wood screws are all 25 Torx. You know, and if they round out like fuck all. I've rounded some out putting the plastic on top of the boards for the tarps. So that's what I got this for. This is gonna ride in the service truck. Okay, the next thing I got is some more Mac pliers. You know that I'm addicted to pliers. They had this little 4-piece kit there. So I bought those for the service truck. And they had this little 5-piece kit. 5-piece small kit there, FPSS. The main reason I bought it is because they had like these Knipex alligator looking motherfucking things. So I bought that. Wasn't that much money. I also like bent needle nose for some reason. I don't know why. And then I got some Mac soap to try. I don't know if it's, I hope it's not like cherry flavored, but it is walnut shells, and for my sensitive skin, because of my psoriasis, I need walnut shell stuff, and you got a free brush with it. So I thought that was cool, so I bought just some of this hand cleaner to try. You know, it says made in the USA with global materials. I guess the walnut shells maybe not are American. I don't know. But anyway, we got that. So that's what I got from Mac, and my Snap-on dealer stopped by. Now, I've said in a couple live streams I don't shoot videos on the Snap-on or the Mac truck because I really think it's gay. And 90% of the time, you know where my Mac and Snap-on dealer end up sitting? They come down here and shoot the shit with me about business stuff for the 30, 40 minutes that they're here. You know, I barely go on the truck. We talk about personal stuff. But anyway, I got this specialty socket for Cummins. I saw that he had this, and I saw that it was for, you know, a Cummins engine, big diesel stuff. So it's a 19 millimeter, it's a fuel line socket. Let's get this open here. Oh yeah. So it's this fuel line socket, 19 millimeter goes on there, whatever. This is, wait a minute. Snap-on, I do believe that you are lying to us. This does not look like a finish of a regular Snap-on socket. I don't think this is made in the USA. It says it on the package, but kind of janky. Don't know. But anyway, I got that. He had these on the truck. These are new. These are precision pliers. Again, bought them in green handle. And the only reason I got these is because if you buy this, you got this for free. Suckered me right in. This is some dikes, little skinny dikes. I saw these sitting there. I said, hey, I want to buy these. And he's like, well, if you buy this, you get this for free. I said, put that shit on the pile. You know? I said, you got to be bullshitting. And he's like, no, I'm not bullshitting. So we got that. Well, anyway, that's the last couple things I bought from Snap-on and Mac. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, this coronavirus has got everybody fucked up. You know, I don't think that, you know, like, I know that my Snap-on dealer said that he's not allowing anybody onto the truck just because he doesn't want to pass any type of virus stuff on. So he just goes in and warranties your stuff and comes out, which I'm sure that that's going to be more and more. That's going to happen here till we get over this mass hysteria, as I like to call it. But anyway, that's about all I got today. Go check out Instagram, Facebook, Patreon, all that other bullshit. And like always, thanks for watching, and I gotta fucking go.